Alright, here's a wild thought. What if you could fire your human virtual assistant and hire an AI instead? Sounds like science fiction, right? Hold on, don't grab your resume just yet. Let's see how this actually plays out. So, I put AI to the test. Picture this: a mountain of emails, calendars that look like Tetris, invoices stacking up like pancakes. That's a VA's bread and butter. Can AI really handle all that without melting down? Let's start with email. Modern AIs can read, sort, and reply to a flood of messages, faster than you can say inbox 0. Some tools even nudge you if it spots an important email buried under 10 newsletters and a cat video from Aunt Marge. Hey, that's almost better than my last VA. For scheduling, AI is basically a super-powered calendar ninja. It cross-checks time zones, avoids double booking, and can even throw in a lunch break if you start looking hangry. Pro tip: try asking an AI to find a meeting slot for 8 people in 5 countries. It'll do it while you refill your coffee. And those repetitive data entry tasks? AIs don't just copy and paste. They can scan invoices, pull out the numbers, and dump everything into your spreadsheet, without getting bored or begging for an afternoon nap. But, wait for it. Here comes the twist. Humans are pros at the messy stuff, like reading between the lines in a weirdly passive-aggressive email or spotting a calendar clash that AI's logic simply doesn't flag. Ever tried explaining "can you just use your judgment" to a chatbot? Good luck. Still, the numbers are wild. According to a 2024 survey, companies that swapped out human VAs for AI cut admin costs by up to 40%. That's not just coffee money, but, full disclosure, nobody's firing all their human VAs just yet. Most pros use AI as an assistant to the assistant. The AI tackles the boring stuff, and the human steps in when things get weird, urgent, or just plain human. Here's my take. If your admin tasks are 99% predictable and soul-crushingly repetitive, AI is your new best friend. If you need someone to read between the lines, handle sensitive info, or smooth over a client meltdown, you'll want a human on speed dial. So, can you replace your human VA with AI? For the boring, brainless tasks? Absolutely. For everything else, not quite. The future? It's human and AI side by side. Think Batman and Robin, but with less spandex and more spreadsheets. Now, if only AI could figure out how to end a video as cleverly as a human, guess I'll have to handle that one myself.